Roadmap to help you get started on the path to becoming a web developer. 1. HTML and CSS. Start by learning the basics of HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets. These are the building blocks of web development and will help you create the structure and design of web pages. 2. JavaScript. Next, dive into JavaScript, a programming language that adds interactivity and functionality to websites. Learn about variables, data types, functions, and control structures. Familiarize yourself with concepts like DOM manipulation and event handling. 3. Responsive design and frameworks. Understand responsive design principles, which ensure that websites look and function well on different devices and screen sizes. Explore popular CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Foundation, which provide pre-designed components and grids to streamline development. 4. Back-end development. Start learning about back-end development, which involves server-side programming and database management. Familiarize yourself with server-side languages like Python, Ruby, PHP, or Node.js. Learn about databases such as MySQL or MongoDB. 5. Version control. Learn how to use version control systems like Git. It allows you to track changes to your code, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions if needed. 6. Front-end frameworks. Explore front-end frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. These frameworks simplify the development of complex user interfaces and provide powerful tools for building dynamic web applications. 7. APIs and web services. Understand how to consume and integrate external APIs, application programming interfaces, into your web applications. Learn about RESTful APIs and how to make HTTP requests to retrieve and manipulate data. 8. Security and performance optimization. Learn about web security best practices, including data validation, authentication, and protection against common vulnerabilities. Additionally, explore techniques for optimizing website performance, such as caching, minification, and image optimization. 9. Testing and debugging. Develop skills in testing and debugging your code. Learn about various testing frameworks and methodologies to ensure your web applications function correctly and are free of errors. 10. Continuous learning and building projects. Keep up with the latest web development trends and technologies. Build your portfolio by working on personal projects, contributing to open-source projects, or freelancing opportunities. Continuous learning and hands-on experience will help you refine your skills and broaden your expertise. Follow for me content like this.